क्या आप भी उन लोगों में से हैं जो अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव नहीं कर पा रहे? चाहे आपके पास कितने भी वे आउट्स हो, आपको पता है कि इस तरीके से इम्प्रूव होती है अगर हम रोज रीडिंग करेंगे, राइटिंग करेंगे, लिसनिंग करेंगे, स्पीकिंग, बट देन ऑल्सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू. So you are at the right place. Hello, friends. My name is Pallavi Dhingra, and I'm an English trainer by profession. And I have been teaching online from last 10 years. And I am here to share with you something different today, like how to achieve your goal of learning English. Till now, you have tons of way outs that if you will read books, you can achieve good English skills. If you will be writing, it will help you to improve your English. If you will be speaking to somebody, it works wonder. But then what happens? You start with full enthusiasm for 2 months, for 1 month, like you just started and you're so excited. Yes, I want to learn my English. Then you start it for 1 month, 2 months, and after that, at some point, you stop doing it, wondering it's not working. It is not my cup of tea. Like you started, you are somewhere on the halfway, you have already achieved the halfway, and later you see it's not working. Then what to do at that point? At that point, what works is your mindset. Your mindset works wonder in that point. The technique I am telling you will not help you only to change your mindset about learning English and continue your journey and don't break in between, but will also help you in other areas of your life. How you can achieve what you want to achieve, which you suppose you want to achieve something, but you're not able to achieve. You try, and then it happens with everybody. We have mood swings, some or the other thing keeps on happening. We are humans. Human tends to get mood swings. So how to remain positive and what to do, how to keep your mind positive that the things goes on our way. Now your goal is to improve your English within 6 months. You started first month very enthusiastic, second month that enthusiasm goes a bit low. Then coming to the third month, you feel, let's leave it. I'm good with my own mother language. What to do at that point? What you will be doing, जैसे ही आपके माइंड को लगेगा कि अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, उस समय आप अपने लिए एक कॉन्सिक्वेंस रेडी करोगे. सपोज आप अपने आप से ये प्रॉमिस करोगे, इसके लिए आपको किसी की नीड नहीं है कि अगर मैंने आज इंग्लिश की ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी तो उसके लिए मुझे ये चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी. और वो जो आप कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऐसा सेट करोगे जिससे आपको करने में प्रॉब्लम हो, कि आपको लगे अरे यार ये कॉन्सिक्वेंस करने से तो बेटर है कि मैं इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर लूँ उस टाइम पीरियड पे. सो यू विल बी डूइंग इट दैट. सपोज अभी आपको इंग्लिश करनी है 30 मिनट्स की, बट यू आर नॉट इन द मूड एंड यू वांट टू वॉच इंस्टाग्राम रील्स, फेसबुक रील्स एंड ऑल दैट सोशल मीडिया फैंसी थिंग्स. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, इफ you will not do this for 30 minutes, then you will not like go for shopping that day, or you will donate 500 rupees on that day. Then that will trigger you, oh, I have to give 500 if I will not study for 30 minutes. This will pinch you and you will study, and it actually works. I have tried it with myself. Like suppose I give you my real life example. I want to work on my weight, but I will always find reasons that I don't have time to do exercise. I'm so busy with my classes. But I always find time to give class and to do all the stuff in my life. But if I have to work on my weight goal, then I will always find reasons for it. So then I set a consequence for me, that if I will not do exercise for 30 minutes, then what I have to do, I have to donate 500 somewhere. Then it really pinches me. Oh, donating 500 daily is a big deal. So then I thought, yes, it's good if I spend 30 minutes on exercise. And I'm telling you, this trick will work wonders. Anything you want to achieve in your life, you can do it by doing this thing with you. This technique is like awesome technique, how to keep yourself motivated without any outside force. People nowadays, they hire coaches and they want to have mentors. They are good, they help us. I won't say they don't help us, but still some people, they cannot afford, or they do not have time to spend with mentors or life coaches. So what you do at that time, how to get self motivation. This is the technique I'm telling you, how to get self motivation, how to check your own self by keeping a consequence to a thing you want to achieve. If you will not do this, you have to then give 500 rupees daily to a poor person. So then it will, like, helping poor people is good, but doing it daily, it is going to trigger you. So always set a consequence to something, the thing you want to achieve. आपको इंग्लिश लर्न करनी है 30 minutes डेली, जिस दिन आप नहीं करोगे इंग्लिश अपना अचीव को, you have to pay for it. So this will help you so much. If you find my technique useful in order to achieve your goals, and that really helps you a lot, please do share with your family and friends. And thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye. See you in the next video.